Follow these steps to remove phone number from Snapchat. Let's get in. First, launch your Snapchat. Now click on the avatar icon given at the top left corner. Once you're on the profile page, now click on the settings icon given at the top right corner. Once over here, click on the option of mobile number. Now over here, you're gonna find the phone number that is linked with your Snapchat account. Unfortunately, at the moment, you are unable to remove phone number from Snapchat. In case you have already linked the phone number, you can only replace it. You can remove your current phone number and then type in the new one and verify it. So right now, this is the only workaround. If in the future Snapchat comes up with the feature to remove phone number, I'm gonna definitely update you guys. So that's a wrap for this video. I hope now you guys are clear if you can remove phone number from Snapchat or not. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.